Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to learn a fast, simple way to use mail merge directly within the new Outlook interface. To start, open your Outlook app and click on New Mail. Once the Compose window opens, direct your attention to the Send button at the top. Click the small drop-down arrow right next to it, and select Start Mail Merge. This instantly allows you to add multiple recipients and personalize your outgoing messages. Alternatively, there is a second quick way to access this feature. While in your new email window, simply navigate to the Options tab at the very top of your screen. Click it and select Start Mail Merge from the ribbon. And that is it. Two incredibly fast ways to utilize mail merge directly in Outlook without needing to open Microsoft Word. If this quick tip saved you some time, make sure to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.